Good afternoon. For the results of RBL Bank Q4 and full year FY19. As has been the case for several quarters and several years now, we continue to see strong, profitable growth for the bank across all our businesses and are confident of sustaining this momentum even in the coming quarters. We continue our strong focus on maintaining, robust asset quality. Very briefly, I'll touch upon the key highlights for the quarter and for the full year. As far as our advances and deposits were concerned, advances grew 35% year on year, reaching a figure of 54,308 crores. Deposits grew 33% year on year, reaching a number of 58,394 crores. Within advances, our wholesale advances grew 25% and the non-wholesale advances grew 49%. I'm pleased to report that our net interest margins, NIMs, have further improved to 4.23% this quarter, as against 4.12% in the previous quarter. On a full year basis, they were 4.14%, which is an increase of 34 basis points over last year. Our total revenue grew 41% year on year in Q4 to 1,148 crores. And for the full year, we were just shy of 4,000 crores, which was 3,982 crores, which is an increase of 40% year on year in terms of total revenues. Net interest margin grew 48%. And on a full year basis, it was 44% growth year on year. Non-interest revenue grew 31% year on year. And core fee income growth, which we always highlight, grew 43% year on year. Non-interest income was 36% of total income. If you put this all together, our total income grew 35% year on year to 1,442 crores. And core fee income grew 52% to 1,348 crores. Our total other income grew 35%. The core fee streams continue to be granular with strong growth across distribution, cards, client FX income and general banking fees. In fact, 70% of our core fee is from the retail businesses. In our card businesses, we closed the quarter at 1.7 million cards. We recently crossed 1 million cards in our co-brand partnership with Bajaj Finance. We continue to be among the top 5 in the country in new card additions and retail spends per card. As a consequence of the healthy net interest income growth and the other income growth, we have reported a net profit for the quarter of 247 crores, an increase of 39% year on year. For the full year, our net profit grew 37% to an annual number of profit of 867 crores. Our cost to income ratio 51.2% for the quarter and 51.3% for the full year, more or less the same, which is again an improvement over last year. Our asset quality continued to be very robust. Bank level gross NPA percentage was at 1.38% from 1.4% same period last year. Net NPA reduced to 0.69% compared to 0.78% as of March 2018. We took some provisions this quarter to increase our PCR to 65.3% in line with the steady increase that we've been doing every quarter, which compares to a number of 57.6% as of March 31st, 2018. 65.3% closing as of March 31st, 2019, as opposed to 57.6% as of March 31st, 2018. Return ratios also continue to improve across the board. ROA improved to 1.3% and ROE improved to 13.4% for the quarter. We today have 324 branches and 993 BC branches. 226 are classified as banking outlets. Our capital position is significantly higher than regulatory requirements. Our total capital adequacy ratio is at 13.46% and Tier 1 capital adequacy ratio is at 12.1%. as of March 31st, 2019. We have just now at the board taken an enabling approval for a fundraise of up to 3,500 crores in equity. However, modalities, timing, quantum of actual capital to be raised, etc., will be taken up for discussion post shareholder approval at the forthcoming AGM. Thank you.